So I start with this 15 by 11.5 inch piece of wood. I get these plywood pieces from Lowe's and I just cut them as I need them. And I painted it using Antique Villa from Wise Owl Paint, and I gave it about 2 coats of the white paint. After it was fully dry, I took a 220 grit sandpaper and just gave it a light sanding. This just helps smooth out the surface. And then I took some 1 hour enamel clear. The finish was matte, and I applied that using a Gen foam brush. I found these wall stickers from Dollar Tree. They say wash, fold, dry, and repeat. I laid down a piece of blue tape just so I could make sure it was pretty straight. And I started with wash at the top. And then I like to do my last sticker at the bottom, which is going to be repeat. And again, I'm using my blue tape just to make sure the word stays pretty straight. And then I just filled in the middle with the dry and fold. Now I like to lay the 1 hour enamel or the varnish down before I put my stickers down. It just kind of gives it something to grip to. And once you lay your sticker down, I do not recommend trying to peel it back up, as you can lift some of the paint. And I just had my words staggered, but you can put them on the board however you want. And once everything was down, I just rubbed over each word, and I took my 1 hour enamel clear and my Gen foam brush, and I just gave it a couple top coats of the 1 hour enamel clear. Then I found this wooden hanger from the dollar store as well. They came 2 in a pack for $1. And then I just took my hand drill and I made a hole in the top left and right corners of the piece of wood. I had this metal wire that I strung a couple wood beads through, and then I wrapped it around the hanger and then put it through the hole and then just twisted and made a knot. And I did that on both sides. So now the sign hangs from the hanger and it says wash, dry, fold, repeat. And you can just hang this in your laundry room. Very inexpensive, easy project. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Paint products can be found at our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials on our YouTube and our webpage. Have a good day.